Colin and I are back in the kitchen with another takeout kit. We have done a couple of these before. In fact, we have done this recipe before, but they changed it.
They made it better, I'm hoping.
I'm hoping.
And they included beer.
Yes.
So it's already better.
Yes, okay, so the woman who actually owns Takeout Kit was so sweet and kind. She loves our videos, and so she sent us a 6-pack of Oktoberfest.
So wait,
How fun is that?
Not everyone gets beer with their Takeout Kit?
Not everyone. We are super special.
All right, so the only required ingredient that doesn't come with this is this beer. Unless you don't drink beer, in which case a diet soda would be lovely. Oh, here we go. This is why I'm doing this one. Not only does it have beer and sausage, it comes with actual legit German gummy bears.
Yes.
None of those eco-friendly earth, might be made out of worm coatings. What was it, like those weird little earth-friendly, only made out of fruit juice ones? No, these are serious. These are not kidding around.
That's a German company?
Yeah, oh yeah. No, that's legit.
Perfect.
German.
Did we tell you what we're making? We're making Spätzle.
Yes, not Spätzle.
Okay, so last time we made it, I kept pronouncing it Spätzle.
Yes.
And I got several comments telling me that we made it wrong and that I was pronouncing it wrong. I'm sorry, okay? So I looked it up and it's Spätzle.
It's Spätzle?
Spätzle.
All right, well, I'll tell you what. For everyone who complained, you 100% get all of your money back from watching this video.
Because last time we made our own dough and put it in, and are these like pre-made?
Yeah,
these are like it, right?
Yeah, no, they're pre-made.
Oh, that is awesome.
Yeah, because it was a pain in the butt last time.
Yeah, we were like trying to spoon the dough into the water,
we're taking the tiny little spoons.
Amazing. They weren't, I guess they're supposed to be crispy. That was another one of the complaints. And ours weren't. They were doughy, but they were still delicious.
The whiniest viewers.
I think we have a lot of German viewers.
So, large saucepan, 4 quarts of salted water to a boil. Stir in the Spätzle, continue to boil, uncovered for 25 to 28 minutes, and then we'll, once that's working, cut up the sausage and get that ready to be cooked. We
have a Vermont uncured summer sausage, but you can also substitute for your own variation. You could do a vegan brat or an actual legit something or other that's not from Vermont. I do remember this mustard though. This was amazing.
Yeah?
I'm really excited about this.
I don't like mustard, so you're on your own.
All me. Wow, you boil it for 25 to 28 minutes.
That's what I'm saying.
That's a long time.
Yeah. I'm just gonna dump in all these little guys. Man, this is so much easier than trying to spoon these things out. I wonder how they're gonna taste. All right, that's your video of how to dump things out of a bag, just in case you've never seen that before. This one I like to call stirring in both directions.
What do we prep? Just this?
Yep.
Alright, slice that up for 25 minutes.
I got 28 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
You guys don't have to sit here and watch this whole thing. You guys can go do something else. We'll be right back.
Alright, there's our timer.
That just looks like some sort of breakfast cereal. Cook the sausage in a large skillet, medium-high, for 2 to 3 minutes.
We have a new induction cooker here that we're trying out. This one is from Bonson Kitchen.
Yep, good old Bonson Kitchen.
Okay, all right. So what are we're cooking this first?
Yep, 2 to 3 minutes.
Note the Spätzle should be completely dry for the next step.
Yeah,
pat them with a paper towel if needed. You know what I do with like my potatoes is I put them on a cookie sheet.
Those are like almost like anything that's been boiling for 26 minutes.
Yeah, they're a little waterlogged, so. Alright, well, yeah, I do this with mashed potatoes. After I boil the potatoes, I set them out on a cookie sheet to dry.
Let's see if this works.
And then when you put any liquid in it, it soaks up the liquid. So, mashed potatoes. Alright, I'm going to throw in the sausages.
Yep, sausages in.
Sausages. Alright, I'm thinking these might be about done. Yeah,
those look good.
Okay.
Alright, so pull those out of there and set aside.
Alright, I'm just going to dump them in this bowl over here.
Keep the ghee in the same pan over medium-high.
Okay. I'll use my Ernie butter knife here.
Nice. My Ernie butter knife.
This is true, right? From yours from when you were a kid. I love this little thing. It's so cute. The ghee is warmed up.
Okay, so then add the cooked Spätzle toss to coat and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown. We can separate it into 2 batches.
Well, let's see how much will fit in there, because yeah, you don't want to overload the pan, otherwise it won't get crispy. How long do we cook these?
3 to 5.
3 to 5? Yeah. Any idea how long it's been?
1 to 1.5.
Okay.
Looks like corn pops though, right?
It totally looks like corn pops.
Right?
Yes, 100%. You know, I fear that we've used up all of our ghee.
Yeah, we screwed up. That's okay. So if you do have to, or if you think you're gonna have to cut this into batches. So just use like half of the ghee and then half of the Spätzle.
All right, you think that's good enough?
Golden brown, beautiful.
All right. Let's see. I'm gonna try to scoop them instead of just pouring, you know?
Oh yeah, good
Try
plan.
to save some of that ghee. Okay, batch number 2, please.
Yeah, let's just see how much of this stuff we can get in. Yeah, there's still some in though. It should be okay.
Is it done yet?
It's totally done. It's done.
Oh my god, I'm hungry. Oh, I was supposed to drain the sauerkraut.
Oh my god.
I'll do that now. All right, are we ready to add this?
Yep. Add half the sauerkraut and the sauteed sausage and cook for another 2 minutes until warm. I'll say you got half of that.
More or less.
Approximately. Dumping with the sausage. So at this point we're just heating it up. It literally doesn't matter. All right, 2 minutes. Divide between plates and enjoy with the rest of the sauerkraut. Okay,
right.
Grab some plates. Not just good, no.
It's like a pasta.
Yeah, it's pasta.
But it's German.
What's German?
Like Opa.
What's German?
Germany is a country, and the people who are from there are called German.
I think we're good.
It's another country. Okay. Let's give it a go.
Let's give it a go. Okay, June, you're up. You're our official taste tester. Jensen bailed. Blow on it a lot first because it's pretty hot.
It's going to be really hot, so just give it a second.
Exactly like that.
What do you think? Blue lips?
That is really good.
Yeah?
Yummy.
Yeah, I think it's certainly better than last time. I think partly because last time it took so long to make the Spätzle. Because we're constantly spooning it in there.
Well, it was also big doughy chunks as opposed to these crispy little bits.
Yeah, this made it a lot easier.
Yeah, it's like a totally different thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah, so
good.
better than last time. Absolutely delicious.
Mustard.
Incredibly easy. I mean, you're just boiling something for 20 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, it did take 25 minutes, but still, it was easy.
Right. But you can go do something else for 25 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. You can just kind of walk away.
Yeah, sausage is good. Yeah, everything's great. Yeah, really like it a lot, and it goes really well with the beer. And gummy bears. You want some gummy bears?
Thank you, Daddy.
I love it. I think it's awesome. I love Takeout Kit in general. So I will make sure that I will put links to our previous Takeout Kit videos so that you can check those out as well. And thank you again to the Takeout Kit mistress, Rachel, for sending us this beer. That was awesome of
absolutely.
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I love it. This is fantastic. And this will be around longer than just October, which is great. So, all right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.